right, guys, what do we have here?
Mike and Tim.
Mike and Tim, what are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
Skydiving. Heck yeah. You've done this a few times
I've
before.
done it a few times.
A few times, and this is your second.
My second, yep.
Heck yeah. All right, we take you up to 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down on a parachute. You ready for it?
Right.
Let's fucking do it.
Let's go.
Woo.
All right, here we go. You ready for this?
Let's go.
Let's get in, get up, get out, go rock and skydiving and have some fun. High five. High five. Oh yeah. Here we go. Woo! What do you think?
I'm gonna go again.
What do you think he thinks? What do you think he
he's
thinks?
Definitely going again.
Yeah? There he is. You guys did great. Thanks for coming out to see us today.
Absolutely.
Hope you had fun.
Yeah, oh yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part is always looking at the ground.
Yeah?
Honestly.
Seeing it from up there, huh? You did great, bro. Come back, see us again. Skydive, Colorado Springs. This could be you. Woo!